Hello and welcome to another exciting episode from Tank Studio. Today we will talk about a hidden trick in Excel which most of the people using Excel for years don't know about. Are you excited to learn this trick? Okay, let me tell you what this trick does. It provides you with a multiple filter criteria. For example, you want to filter your data where the name is Cooper, city is Muscat, and salary is 45,000. There are three criteria that you want to find the data related to. So there are two ways of doing it. Either you get the Cooper, or you get the salary, or you get the city. But if you want all of them together, then there is a hidden trick. Excited? Let me take you there. Go to data tab, then go to advanced tab. This is the advanced filter. So how you can do that? It is asking for a filter in the list in place. So this is the list that we want to filter the data from. If I do not check this, copy to another location, it will filter this list. Okay, so I want to copy it and do not want to change my original list. Wait, where is the criteria? We haven't typed anywhere yet. Cancel it. Go to criteria. For criteria, it is important to write the cell values with the column names, right? We want to find the name Cooper. We want to find the city Dubai. One more trick is there. Wait. And we want to find the salary 20,000. Okay. What if I start finding like this? It will only go and find Cooper and if the city is Dubai and if the salary is 20,000. But this is not the case. I want to find all the occurrences of Cooper, all the occurrences of Dubai, all the occurrences of salary, where salary is 20,000. So for this, just cut it and paste it so that it will not make a match. Right? Now we are going back to advanced filter list. This is the filter list. Now criteria. This is the criteria. Where I want to copy it, I want to copy the recorded rows here. See how simple it is. It's magic. Ta-da! Name all the occurrences of Cooper since the names are unique in my records. So Cooper only once. City Dubai. Why Sharjah is here? Because we also asked for salary 20,000. That is why. So all the occurrences of Dubai, all the occurrences of 20,000 salary, and all the occurrences of Cooper are here. This is not done yet. Wait. There's another trick. Bonus trick. What is it? You can also identify unique records with the advanced filter technique. How? Let's go to advanced again. Copy list range. This, for example, you want to identify and make the city as a unique record. Leave the criteria. We don't want the criteria to be here. Where do we want to copy the list? We want to copy the list here. Unique records only. Okay, see what happens here. Dubai, Dubai, Sharjah, Muscat. Why it repeated Dubai? Because it considered it to be the list. Let's do it again. The column name. Let's do it again. So filter list is city. Criteria range is nothing. Copy to another location. This is the location. Unique records only. See why it repeated it? It considered it to be the column name. Now, since I have provided the column name, so it only showed me one instance of Dubai, Sharjah, Muscat, Ras Al Khaimah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Learn it, and this will surely save you hours. Keep on sharing and liking. Take care. Bye bye.